Hey what's guys, this is Skyforce95 here. I'm doing a very trivial unboxing of a deck of Uno cards, but this isn't just any deck of Uno cards, this is the retro edition. So, this is what they have printed on the first deck, or first issue of Uno, when it first came out, I would assume. So, all the color, exact color, and whatever art they used is what they reproduced here. So, since this is an unboxing video, I'll just show you around the box. There's nothing too crazy going around here. Feel free to pause as usual if you really wanted to. For those of you who really don't know, haven't heard of Uno, I don't know where you've been living, probably under some kind of rock, but Uno is a really simple group matching game that gets really addictive. You can play with 2 to 10 people, and it's good for ages 7 up, and also I think it's good for kids younger than that. It's a really simple game, and kids are pretty smart these days, right? So without further ado, let's just go ahead and crack this thing open. Let's remove this little sticker seal. There we go. Open it up. Looks like some cards are misplaced here. Draw 4s. And we have, of course, an included instruction guide for people who've never played Uno before. So it has easy to understand instructions in English and also in Spanish. So that's the official guide. I know a lot of people, there are different versions of how people play Uno. I prefer the version of where you can stack. Not everybody plays that. Of course, that gets really interesting and it can put people in a very perilous spot if that's the case. But anyways, let's just go ahead and see what this particular edition includes. So it comes with 4 draw 4 wild cards, and I believe there should be more. Yep, 4 regular wild cards, and we have the regular Uno rainbow color of red, yellow, green, and blue, missing some of them, but that's the Uno rainbow, right? So here you can even see the Uno rainbow along the sides. So if you really wanted to, you can easily tell when something is not perfectly aligned. So there's that. And to see how many of each, so it looks like there are doubles of 1 to 9, and there's a 0, but it's only a single 0. We have doubles of everything else, including the reverse skips and draw 2 cards, and you can see they are just a simple letter as opposed to the symbols on the red one. And so this one also doesn't come with any of the extra cards that you can make. Let's say you can design your own play card basically. So this is retro, so this is the original, how Uno was originally to play. Man, I've been saying original like crazy. But anyways, so let's see if we can count how many cards are in here. I'm pretty sure it's on the box, but let's see how it works. So we have 1 through 9 plus the 3 that are doubled. So that's a total of 12. Doubled is 24. 24 times 4 for all the colors. It's 96. And then we only have a single 0 for each color. So that's 4 times 1 plus 96 is 100. So that's an even 100 for just the regular cards. And then for the wild cards, we have 8. So that's a total of 108. Which is how many cards it said it included. Interesting why they couldn't make it a 110. They could have just doubled that 0, but I guess for some reason they just don't like 0. But anyways, this is a quick unboxing look at the retro Uno. So should you pick this up, it's up to you. I mean, it's cool if you never had Uno before. This is actually my first deck of Uno. We had like a little Secret Santa exchange, and my friend got me this. Pretty nice. I think if you wanted to just pick up a new set of Uno cards with your own money, I don't know if this is the best value though, because I know for a fact that the red ones, new red ones that you can buy in the store for around the same price as this one, you get those, as I mentioned earlier, make your own cards, so you can get more cards out of it. But anyways, this is a different edition for those of you who really care. I'll put links in the description where you guys can pick this off Amazon for a great steal. And I've been Skyforce95. I'll be unboxing another game soon, so subscribe to my channel to see that. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like, it'd be greatly appreciated, and make sure to subscribe to my channel Skyforce95 if you haven't already to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube Skyforce95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Skyforce95. Thanks for watching.